Milas English Class and School presents Agreeing and Disagreeing. Two people agree when they feel the same about something.
I like trains.
So do I.
If two people are the same, they answer with the verb to be. Example: so am I, or I am too. I am good at soccer. So am I. If two people have the same ability, they answer with the verb can. Example: so can I. I can too. I can cook. I can too. Two people share the same action, they answer with the verb do. Example: so do I. I do too. I love pizza. I do too. You can also agree with negative statements using the same verbs with neither, not either, or either. Example: neither am I. I'm not either.
I don't like scary movies.
Neither do I. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily English content.